something for my client.
Let's watch this video so that I have some 1 or 2 things to tell you.
I mean something delicious. I know you all will be wondering that when did the Chanta start cooking? Okay, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Chantas can cook. This hair is white. This and this. It's about to go down. Oh, sorry. I don't mean this type of cooking. No. Let's get into the real cooking. So all of you are expecting fresh baby abi? Fresh meme fresh. So now, guys, let's get into the real cooking. The result might be 6 minutes, but it takes hours to get it done. Wait for the result. And finally, our fresh meme is here. Watch it.